being down on me is dehydrated. Be safe and keep hydrated. If you have any kind of medical needs, please visit the first aid station located outside the paddock entrance on the paddock road and in the Haggerty Marketplace across from the Rennsport grandstand. Don't hesitate to ask any of the raceway officials and volunteers for directions. Visit WeatherTechRaceway.com for all your event information, schedules, tickets, camping reservations, and official souvenir needs. Your one-stop source for California's favorite motorsports destination, WeatherTechRaceway.com. Book signings continue today. Outside the official Raceway store in the paddock, several of the Porsche legends will be greeting guests and signing copies of their books. There's another chance to meet Porsche heroes in person today from 3 to 4:30. Also, David Hobbs, Hobbo, Motor Mouth, and Motor Racer will be at the souvenir store signing his book today between 3 and 4. Laguna Seca's permanent restaurant. Here you can enjoy a hearty breakfast, juicy Bubba burgers, tri-tip sandwiches, refreshing salads, and ice-cold beverages. The Bubba Burger Cruising Cafe, centrally located in the heart of the paddock. And stay tuned to WeatherTechRaceway.com for the latest news on our 2019 racing season that includes the Rolex Monterey Motorsports Reunion, IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship, and after a 14-year absence, IndyCar. Up next is the exciting California 8 Hours presented by Pirelli World Challenge.